There we go. All right. Good evening, traders. Today is November 30th, 2023. This is the Market Wrap Up. It's the BYOB Market Wrap Up with John Kerrigan. That's me. All right. I moderate the BYOB trading room. All right. So let's take a look at some charts. Okay. So here's SPY. And what do we got for today? Just a tail candle that is closing over the 3 EMA. It's hard to see, but that's what it's doing. All right, so here's the 3 EMA. Let me see if I can find something else. You can barely see it on that one too. So there's the 3 EMA. So a big tail, it's a little tail candle closing over the 3 EMA. Still in that bullish flag consolidation. People want to go higher. From here, they think this is a good value. I don't get it, but anyways, here we are. Still, where are we in relation to the monthly downtrend line? We are. Let's get this extended. Just a second. All right, so we're closing over the weekly downtrend line. That's pretty good. I still don't get it though. After all of this. All right, so there's SPY. There's the weekly downtrend line. You can see here's price action reacting to it, just kind of stalling. The best strategy here has been to sell bear call credit spreads right up here over 462. That has been pretty much, and then roll them down each day. That has been probably the best strategy while SPY is dealing with this weekly downtrend line and stuck consolidating in a bull flag over to the right. So there's SPY. SPY's in a daily uptrend, making higher lows. Here's one low. Here's the last low. And here's a higher low. So you can see it's in a daily uptrend. For price action, today we have a lower low and a lower high. So there you go. I don't know what all the excitement was about, but you got a lower low and a lower high. So there's SPY. So I'm going to go out on a limb again, like I always do, and say QQQ and FNGU look the same. Here we go. Not quite the same. QQQ doesn't even look as strong as SPY. All right, so here's QQQ, lower high, lower low, closing under the T line right here, which is the 80 EMA, headed down towards Trendicator. Still in an uptrend. Here's the high. Made a higher high, still in a bull flag. Here's the move up. There's the move to the right. So nothing bearish about it yet. Right there. So there's QQQ in a bull flag right there. Consolidating. FNGU. Let's take a look. Same thing. Almost. Actually a little bit worse than the other two. Okay, lower high, lower low. Closing underneath the T line, headed towards a Trendicator. All right, still in an uptrend, still in a bull flag, FNGU. Here's a high and a higher high, so it puts it in a daily uptrend. Let's take a look at IWM. IWM still consolidating in a bull flag, in a daily uptrend, higher low, higher high. All right, so still bull flagging. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days in this bull flag, and it still can't break over. So IWM, this should be a piece of cake, right? If the market was bullish and everything was looking good, right? Got an inverted head and shoulders here. This should be a piece of cake, a no-brainer. Everyone should be buying it, right? Something's fishy. All right, so there's the channel. IWM stuck in the channel right here. All right, in a daily uptrend, there's a higher low making a higher high. Diamond Dow, let's take a look at that. Diamond Dow puts in a monster candle. Did not expect that one. So Diamond Dow, that is well over the highs there, gapping up and trading up near the high. So I don't know if Boeing just sold 30 planes or what happened. Something's going on. Home Depot sell a few houses. Something in the Diamond Dow is working. Maybe it's United Healthcare. I don't know. All right, so here we are, 359.75. And what is that? 359.75. All right. So we're attacking the all-time highs. So Diamond Dow attacking the all-time highs right here. So market's on fire, ready to make new highs. All right. Don't know what it's got it all hyped up about. Maybe there's an election. I don't know if that's the reason. Is the war over in the Middle East? That would be good. There's Diamond Dow. Did Russia give up? That would be good. All right, so here's Diamond Dow dealing with prior highs. That would be major resistance up there. Okay, we're going to go through them fast. SMH. Okay, high, higher high, daily uptrend. Bull flag consolidating over to the right. Right on minor support. SMH, daily uptrend candle. Lower high, lower low. Next one, IYT. IYT, high, higher high. So it's in a daily uptrend. Closing over the 3 EMA. That's very good. Price action, lower high and lower low. Nice green candle though. Bouncing off the T-line. That's very good. XLF. Maybe that's what's going on. It's the XLF. XLF making a beautiful candle here. Higher low, higher high. Blasting up towards the resistance, 35.97. Doing all the right stuff. What's that, 14 days now? Straight up, green candles. Nice move, closing well over the 3 EMA. XLF really looking good here. Okay. Last high right here, making a higher high. It's in a daily uptrend. Either one. You can use this high or this high. XLF, daily uptrend. USO. USO gaps up, finally makes a new high, all right? So we have a higher high, but we sure didn't close there, all right? So we were in a daily downtrend, but now technically we have an uptrend. I don't know. That's kind of quasi to me because let me just say we got higher lows here. There's a higher high, but we sure aren't closing up here. You know what I'm saying? So for me, we're still in a downtrend. UNG got the triple threat here, makes a lower low and a lower high. Still in a daily downtrend. We got a lower high here and a lower low, a lower high, and obviously lower lows. So no end to no bottom here for UNG. Gold and silver. Gold's just consolidating right here, and it needs to for about 2 weeks. All right. Gold's in an uptrend, higher low, higher high. It's doing all the right stuff. Just needs to cool off. Silver, higher low, higher high. Just needs to cool off. That's all it does. For the daily candle, higher low and a higher high. It's doing all the right stuff. Just needs to cool off. That's it. Either that or get through this resistance through here and consolidate. That would be best for silver. So we'll see what happens there. So there's silver. And we saw the dollar. Let's take a peek at the dollar. Dollar rallies back to 103.50. Okay. Tomorrow, what do we got on the economic calendar? That's not what I wanted. Here we are. All right, so Powell's going to speak at 11 and at 2. PMI manufacturing at 9:45, ISM at 10. Earnings calendar for today. Just some banks, Marvell and Dell going to report tonight. And Kroger. That's about it. Tomorrow, nothing big except for maybe Genesco. No, not even Genesco. So that's it, all right? Traders, everyone have a wonderful evening, all right? I'll see you all on tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. We'll do it again. We'll see what Mr. Powell's got to say. All right. Thanks for being here. Glad y'all made some money today. That's awesome. Let's do it again tomorrow.